Hello students, this is Manoj Kumar Verma, your English teacher. In the last video, I have explained 100 races part 1, in which I have ended by saying that a letter came from Vanda's father, and all the students stunned after reading the content. After that, let's what is happening. What is happening after just reading the content of the letter by the teacher Miss Mason. Well, see in part 2. Wanda's father informed the school that the family is moving to a big city where nobody would tease Wanda for her funny name and appearance. The letter, the letter sent by father, in which it was written that the whole family of Wanda, moving to a big city where nobody provoke nobody provoke a girl, a student in the school by her name and by her funny appearance. Okay, this later Miss Mason read out the letter. Miss Mason is reading the letter before the students in room number 13, and they wanted to Miss Mason wanted to say that she should the student should not do like that, because this is a very bad habit to provoke any student by their by her name or by his or her name, by the appearance. So this is very bad habit that Miss Mason wanted to realize the student that they did. All the students stunned after just knowing the content of the letter and realized how sensitive, how insensitive they have been about Wanda. Okay, so the whole class surprised, and on that day, this is Medi, who did not concentrate on her study and think. Most of time she is spent by thinking about Wanda, how insensitive she has been for Wanda, because she was also a part and parcel of such mistakes she did along with Piggy. So on that day, after completion of school, when the school was over, both the girl, Piggy and Maddie, decided to go to Wanda's house, thinking that she had not left yet, and so they reached to the Boggins Heights, and where she found that Wanda has already left. So these two girls decided to write a letter to Wanda, and she wrote and posted it with the help of, I think so, huh, I think so, from from the caretaker of the house. Okay, and thus she wrote Wanda's letter, and Wanda did not give any answer for the long time. Piggy forget all about it, all about the event, everything, and but Maddie did not. So time passed by. Just Christmas came, and all are in merry mood. Here just teachers are also. So on the eve of Christmas Day, all the students are decorating the school with the beautiful Christmas plant, uh, Christmas tree over there, and all are in very happy mood. On the same day, a letter came from Wanda. The letter, the now Miss Mason called the students to room number 13 and read out the letter. Wanda informed Miss Mason that she did not need those 100 dresses. In the letter, she told that she had left 100 dresses in the old school. She did not need that dresses anymore, because she had 100 dresses in her new house also. And second thing, she told that the dresses, the blue ones, should be given to Maddie, and green one should be given to her best friend Piggy. Okay, Piggy. She also told that her new teacher in the new school were not good, not as good as the old school's teacher is. Okay, after that, after that, these two girls were very upset, knowing that how lovable Wanda was to Piggy and Maddie. So when they took both the drawings and went to her home, and this is Maddie, who was very depressed and just seeing the drawing given by Wanda to her, and she was surprised to see her drawing at home, that that the face which was made on the blue dress resembled to Maddie herself, and so she surprised and ran to Piggy's house and asked for the drawing. When they saw the Piggy's dress, it was the face was just made over there. It was also resembled to Piggy itself. Now they realized her mistake, because Wanda loved them a lot, but instead they provoked her. Now the tear came down on their face, and this is the realization of Piggy and Maddie, and they thought that got teary eyes, and the times he thought how they isolated Wanda Patnowski, how Wanda Patnowski tolerated her provoke. So this is how the story ended, my dear student. In this story, I came to learn. I came to learn and get the lesson that we should never ever provoke or tease anybody else by their funny name or by their appearance. This is a very bad thing. Hmm. So one should always learn, because we are all in school, we are all the same. We should never deprive anybody, we should never humiliate anybody. This is a very bad thing. Now, thank you, students. Thank you very much. I think if you just go through the questions related to this chapter, you are able to solve. Thank you. Thank you very much.